Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live when I critique other cooking videos. Also, leave a comment on the video. Helps me out a bunch. All right, let's get into today's video, which is Asiago Garlic Orzo. All right, in this pot, over a medium low to low heat, I have a half a cup of butter that's melting up. To that, I added 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. And we're just going to cook this, again, over a low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Also, at this time, your orzo should be in salted boiling water. Again, as with any pasta, take 1 minute off the minimum cooking time on the package. All right. Well, we're pretty much almost done. We're going to zip ahead to assembly. This is it. Like I said, this is a real easy dish for a busy weeknight or a perfect side dish. Okay, now we have our orzo in our great big bowl, steaming away nicely. Now we're going to add that garlic butter that we made up. Then we want 4 tablespoons of milk. About a half a cup of Parmesan cheese that I pulverized in my food processor. And then some freshly ground black pepper. You can add salt if you want, but the saltiness of the Parmesan and the salted pasta should have enough. But if you feel the need, add just a little bit. Again, you don't want to oversalt it. I added just a little bit. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Then grab something to stir it with and stir this around till everything is well mixed together. Take you about 60 seconds. By the way, this is vegetarian safe. It's not vegan safe because I use cheese. But screw vegans, they're annoying. And as you can see now, we're ready to serve it up. I've got some in a bowl. And I'm giving it a light dusting of the Asiago cheese. By the way, if you don't have a microplane, go out and purchase one. They're not terribly expensive. And they're really, really useful in the kitchen. So that's Asiago Garlic Orzo. Done.